Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new data analysis interview series where you will get complete knowledge of both theory and practical with real example all in a single video. In today's video from the American Express interview series, we are going to cover the next important question all about joins. So let's dive in. So this video is your one-stop solution, the only video you will need to prepare for SQL interview questions. In this series, we will break down each theoretical concept and also go hands-on with practical example so that you understand the topic clearly and feel confident in your interviews. I will be uploading these videos daily in both Hindi and English, and I will also do addressing of your doubts in the comment section. I have collected a complete set of commonly asked interview questions that keep repeating in top companies interview, and we will cover each of them with theory plus hands-on practice so you can completely be interview ready. I will also share the table creation script and sample data script in comment section, so you can just copy and paste them directly into your SQL database to follow along. Here we will go with the second question. Like first question video has been uploaded, you can check it out in my playlist. Second question is like explain the difference between inner join and outer join with examples. So let's minimize this and let's see what we have in the table. So before going to our table, I will show you what we have done. See, we have done create table, insert table for this practice employee, create table for practice department, and insert data, this two columns into practice department. I can show you these two tables, and I will also paste the tables in this, put a screenshot in the video, because the thing is in post GRE SQL we cannot like show two tables side by side. That's the only issue, but not a big deal. I will post I will paste the screenshot of both the table in the screen so that you can easily compare both the tables in front of you, and it will be easy for you to visualize and understand as well. Okay, so let's move on to the theory part. What is inner join? Like inner join means only those rows will be shown in the output where data matches in both the table. Think of it like we only want what's common in both table. Let's take an example of this two table what we have in present in front of us. First is practice employee table, this one, and second is practice department table. You can see the screenshot as well. So suppose we have like this two table in front of us, or you can like interview will give you two tables, depends on the interview kind of interview you are going for, and inner join between them will return only the employees who belong to the department that exist in department table. Means the thing, the data which is common in both the table, we have to join them, and after joining them the whole data will show you in output. How? Let's do it in a practical way. So we will go first in order of execution, how SQL do the order of execution and give you the output. First SQL go to the from section. From what? Which table? Practice employee table as A. I am giving a alias of A because writing this much long word will be a lot of syllabus, so better give a single word of an alias. It is easy for you to remember as well. From A table, inner join this table as B. Sorry, I am just writing here. So let me tell you one thing, in inner join you can replace this both anywhere, like you can write department table here, employee table here, not a big deal. It is the same thing, because in inner join it will show you the common data between the two. So let's go to the practical part. From table A, inner join table B. We are telling to SQL कि in table A and in table B, anything which is common on, like on both the table, which is common is A dot empid, B dot empid. So as you can see in screenshot as well, both table have a common column which is employee ID, where datas in employee ID of table A and datas in employee ID of table A are somewhat matching. So in this way you have to write the practical part. I mean, joins, for joins you have to give those columns which are common. You have to give any one. Suppose there are three columns in a table, and out of three columns, two columns are matching. You can write one column as well, or as per question you can write two columns as well. We will go, like in near future video, I will show you how you will put like condition where both column are same. Right now, as we have one column same in between the tables, so we will write employee ID of table 1 and employee ID of table 2 are same, and from this give us the data which are matching. So from this table, join this table on this column. So these are the columns, like employee ID and employee ID of table A is same, and from there you will go to select. Fourth step is select. A dot asterisk means all the data in table A, B dot asterisk all the data in table B. So let's see what output do we get. See here, in first two column, these two columns belong to table A, which is practice employee table. You can see the screenshot as well. And this two column, employee ID and department ID, this two column which I have selected belongs to second table, which is practice department, which is table B. And in this you can see 1 2 and 1 2, the employee IDs where we told it will be same are matching. So SQL has given us the data which are matching. So in this way you can find the data which are matching in tables, like table, there will be various table in the real world scenario. In that you have to match and find which are common. So this is the way how inner join works. And let me write this here so that it will be easy for you to understand. Here inner join, and right now we will go to outer join part. So outer join have two parts, like left join and right join. So we will write left join. It is also called left outer join. Left join and left outer join are same thing. Name is different, but things are same, functions are same. So let us go to the theory part. What is outer join? In outer join, there are two main types, as I told you, left join and right join. Left join, which is also known as left outer join, will be showing the data which are in left table as well as the data which is common or which is same in the right table. Let us go in a systematic way. What left joins do, it shows all rows from the left table. If there is a match in right table, include the data. If not, show null for the right table column. I will repeat once again. What left join does is like they show all rows from the left table. If there is a match in right table, include the data. If not, show null for the right table columns. Think of it like I want everything from the left table whether it matches or not. Left table is the priority. Let us see in practical world. We will go order of execution wise. So first SQL will go from what table, we will say employee as a left join prac div as b. Let me tell you one thing, the main concept, always in joints, any joints, not inner, left and right joint, the table which is after from, see after from the table which is there, it is always left table by default. It is always left table by default, and the table name which is after this command, left join, right join or join, it is right table always by default. Remember these things, because these are the only two concept, I mean only two things which you should remember to do or tackle any question related to joints. The table which is after from is left join, always it is by default, it will always be left join. I will show you in right join part also, like why I am saying this again and again. And the table name which is after left join is the right table. That's it, keep this in mind, these are the main things. Okay, now let's go to the query part. So how SQL will identify, I mean SQL will go in the order of execution. First it will go in from part, then left join from this table, left join this table on what, on which column we are trying to say, on column a dot employee id, b dot employee id. Why a dot employee id, b dot employee id? Because we are saying in a table give us the employee id, and in b table this is the employee id. So we are telling SQL like, see, a dot is in a table, go to the employee id, match it equal, match it with the b table's employee id. Why this? Because this column, employee IDs of both the column are having same data. That's the thing. And now we will tell, give us the data which is same in both. I mean, give us the data of all the rows in table A as well as in table B. Let's see what output we get. Okay, we have written the wrong name actually, it's PRAC. Now let's see. Yeah, see, as I told you in the definition, remember one thing, I am repeating once again, show all the rows from the left table. See, show all the rows from the left table. I told you in left always it will be the table which is after from. So this is the table in left. How do you identify this? See, I have written select table A and all the data. So you can see employee ID and employee name, as well as you can see the screenshot what I have given. See, employee ID and employee name. And let's go to the definition once again. Show all the rows from the left table. Left table having 4 rows, you can check the screenshot. If there is a match in right table, include the data. Check the screenshot once again and see, there is a match in right table of first and second, right? First and second. Show that data, means include the data. And third point, if not, show null in the right table column. See, 3 and 4 is available in employee table, you can see the screenshot, but 3 and 4 is not available in department column, I mean in department table. 5 is available in department table, and employee IDs are not matching for 5, 3 and 4. So 5 will not show here. But as I told you, left table means show all the rows from left table. So all the rows have been showed in left table, and some data which is matching to the right table, show that. So it's easy, right? So here we are completing left table part. Now let's go to right table, I mean right join, also called right outer join, right? So what we will do, we will go as per order of execution, but let's go to the theory first, because after theory only we can do the practical very easily. Right join, also known as right outer join, means show all the rows from the right table. Right, here we are giving priority to right table. Show all the rows from the right table. If there is a match in the left table, include the data. If not, show null for the left table column. I will repeat it once again. Show all the rows from the right table. Listen to me carefully. It is very important. The theory is very important. Once again I will repeat. Show all the rows from the right table. If there is a match in left table, include the data. If not, show null for the left table column. Now let's go to the practical part. We will go from order of execution wise. So SQL will take the data, it will work from side, from, then after that joins, then group by, and then select. It's like that. So from prac employee, now see, I will tell you the use of this, to why I have written this prac table as A, right join prac department as B on. As I told you, as I told you, the first table which is after from will always be left table, right, by default, and this thing the table which is after this right join, or the data we are, the command we are giving, is always be right table. So if we go to a theory part, show all the rows from the right table. You see, all the rows from the right table will be shown. You can see the screenshot, and I will show you on what, on those column which is same in both the table, like A means table A employee ID equal to table B employee ID. You can write like this as well. You can write B dot employee ID equal to A dot employee ID. It is the same thing, so it won't create a different output for this. It's the same thing. And right now it will go to select. SQL will go from this table, right join the second table on table column, table A column equal to table B column, because these columns data are matching, and then it will go to select and give the data A dot star, asterisk B dot asterisk, means all the data in table A and all the data will in table E will show in the output. So in this you can see like the data which is present in table A and table B are showing. And let me tell you one thing, like why I have given the right table always and red table always. You can see the data which is present on the right table, it's here, and always by default the table which is after the join command is always be the right table, and the table which is after the from command will always be the left table. So this is what I mean to say, like by default, and this is the basic part as well as the basic concept. First table will be left table which is after from, and second table which is after this right join or left join will be right table. So in this way we get the data. See, we will connect this to the theory part. As I told you, in right join show all the rows from the right table. In this you can see the screenshot as well. All the rows from the right table are visible. Now let's move to the second part of theory. If there is a match in left table, include the data. Yes, there are two rows matching from the left table and data also included. If the data in right table is not getting matched in left table, then show null for the left table column. This is the left table column. You can see the screenshot. show null for the left table column if there is no match from the right table side. Why right table side? I am saying a lot because right table will get the most priority. So this is all about the concept of left join and right join. And if I give you a tip to remember, then left join will be keep everything, like keep each and every data from the left table in output, and right join means keep everything, which is like keep each and every data from right table in the output. You see, in left table, I mean in right table, all the data in right table are present in output. Same cheese, if I like run the left join part, all the data in left table will be present in output. So this is all about left join and right join. So that's all about it. That's all about the, I mean, second interview question that is always being asked in American Express interviews for data analysis. You can see the like salary part, it's 17 to 19 LPA, which is actually huge. So once you are good with the concept, you are ready to solve each and any, I mean each and every questions which is like presented to you during interview. So these are the basic things. Till if you have any doubt, my comment section is always open for you, as well as I have also given my mail ID in the description box. You can go through the mail ID and put a mail. Me or my team will give the review, I mean give the solution for it. No need to worry about. Please ask each and any, like any doubt, any basic to basic doubt you can ask you, because this is the learning phase. If you don't learn right now, it will be a issue in future, like in near future, I mean to say. So that's all about the interview question series for today. Tomorrow we will also upload a video for the third interview question, and like this every day I will be uploading a video. And thank you for like subscribing to my channel, as well as liking my video, commenting. Like I have seen a good response that you are giving to me, and this is what motivates me to upload more videos each and every day. Like every day 3 to 4 videos are being uploaded without a break. That is all because of you viewers, like you subscriber viewers, your like you are my family, I would say. Like you are what motivating me to upload video, like create a teaching video. Like thanks a lot, thanks for this. And as always, I would say please like, subscribe and share it to someone who is like preparing for data analysis or want to like join this data analysis environment, like want to learn something from my video. It will, like I will be very happy for that. So that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy coding.